In the world of business analytics, data isn't just numbers on a screen. It's the key to unlocking hidden insights, solving mysteries, and making impactful decisions. Welcome to the introduction to business analytics. Hello, all. My name is Pawan Kakre. I am a student of IBS Hyderabad, currently pursuing in second year of MBA in Marketing and Operations. So let's continue the video. Let's understand what is business analytics. So as you can see, here is a definition of analytics. Business analytics is a process of transforming data into insights for making better decisions. Whenever we buy a product, what we do before purchasing a product, we make a decision whether to purchase it or not. ये डिसीजन हमारा तब आता है जब हम काफ़ी स्टडी कर लेते हैं और जान लेते हैं कि हमारी नेसेसिटी क्या है। उसके बाद हम एक प्रायर डिसीजन लेते हैं वो प्रोडक्ट खरीदने से पहले। सिमिलरली बिजनेसेस में काफ़ी सारी ऑन गोइंग डेली एक्टिविटीज़ होती है, कई सारे डिपार्टमेंट होते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल ऑपरेशंस डिपार्टमेंट होता है, मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट होता है, फाइनेंशियल डिपार्टमेंट होता है। उन सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स में डे टू डे डेली एक्टिविटीज़ होती रहती है। वो डेली एक्टिविटीज़ करने के बाद में एक डिसीजन लिया जाता है। अब वो डिसीजन लिया जाता है बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स के आधार पे। कोई भी हमारे पास में जो भी एक्टिविटी हो रही हो उसका डेटा कलेक्ट किया जाता है, उस डेटा से इंफॉर्मेशन निकाली जाती है। इंफॉर्मेशन निकालने के बाद में उसमें से कुछ इंसाइट्स ड्राइव करे जाते हैं। उन इंसाइट्स के आधार पर डिसीजन मेकिंग की जाती है। तो बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स हमने समझ लिया कि क्या है, ये एक प्रोसेस है डेटा को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने की, जिसमें हम डेटा को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने के बाद में उसे इंसाइटफुल बनाते हैं ताकि एक बेटर डिसीजन मेकिंग हो। दैट्स इट। अब हम समझते हैं कि इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स की। जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, देयर आर 3 इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर विच आर मेंशन इन द स्लाइड। पहला है परफॉर्मेंस एनहांस करना, दूसरा है कॉम्पिटिटिव एज गेन करना, और एक स्ट्रैटेजिक और सस्टेनेबल डिसीजन मेकिंग जो है उसे इम्प्लीमेंट करना है एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और एक बिजनेस के अंदर। नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द कैटेगराइजेशन ऑफ एनालिटिकल मेथड्स एंड मॉडल्स। सो इसे हम थोड़ा डिटेल में जानेंगे कि ये क्या है। ये डिस्क्रिप्टिव एनालिटिक्स, प्रेडिक्टिव एनालिटिक्स, प्रिस्क्रिप्टिव एनालिटिक्स, ये तीनों के इम्पोर्टेंस अलग अलग है। तो समझते हैं एक एक करके। जैसे कि डिस्क्रिप्टिव एनालिटिक्स कहता है दैट दिस कैटेगरी फोकसेस ऑन अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट हैज हैपेंड बाय एनालाइजिंग हिस्टोरिकल डेटा। इस वर्ड पे इम्पोर्टेंस देना। तो डेटा मतलब क्या होता है ये हम समझ लेते हैं पहले। तो डेटा इज नथिंग बट कलेक्शन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन। ऑलराइट, सो what kind of information? Information such as name, age, gender, then educational details, then your address, phone number, etc. So this is a information, general information which I have mentioned over here. और डेटा में क्या होता है, इन्हीं इंफॉर्मेशन का कलेक्शन होता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए टेबल। ये ऐसा टेबल है हमारे पास। यहाँ पे एज है, यहाँ नेम है, यहाँ पे जेंडर है, एंड सो ऑन। तो कभी भी कोई भी पर्सन आपसे पूछे कि व्हाट इज डेटा, यू हैव टू आंसर कलेक्शन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन। नाउ मूविंग टू दिस थिंग, व्हाट इज डिस्क्रिप्टिव एनालिटिक्स। तो डिस्क्रिप्टिव एनालिटिक्स में आपको एक ही टर्म को याद रखना है, विच इज analyzing historical data to provide insights into past performance. For example, you sold a product and after selling you generated some sales. Now the sales have negatively impacted. So how you will analyze this? You will analyze the sales performance with the help of the past record of this sale. For example, we have 2 months, February and March. On March, You have to, if you want to see what will happen in March, you will predict what has happened on the basis of the month February. Alright, let's understand the second one, which is predictive analytics. As in the name says, predictive means making prediction. So descriptive was all about past, sorry, so descriptive was all about the past, predictive is all about the future. What you are doing, whatever information you have, on the basis of those information, on the basis of those data, you will use that data, you will run some of the statistical algorithm and machine learning principles and techniques to identify the future outcomes. Whatever information you have, उस पर आप कुछ स्टैटिस्टिकल प्रोसीजर्स और मशीन लर्निंग टेक्निक्स यूज करोगे, जिसके आधार पे आप एक प्रेडिक्शन कर पाओगे, जिसके बेसिस पे आप एक डिसीजन क्रिएट करोगे, एक डिसीजन लोगे. सो ये था प्रेडिक्टिव एनालिटिक्स. अब है प्रिस्क्रिप्टिव. एज इन द वर्ड सेज, प्रिस्क्रिप्टिव मीन्स प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. डॉक्टर हमें क्या देता है? Prescription. Doctor provides us the prescription. That means he gives us some suggestive medicines which help us to improve our health or overall condition. Okay. So what prescriptive analysis says? Prescriptive analytics goes beyond predicting future outcomes by recommending actions to achieve desired result. As कि मैंने बोला कि predictive analytics में हम डेटा के बेसिस पे फ्यूचर आउटकम्स जो है वो निकालते हैं. तो उस आउटकम के साथ डील करने के लिए जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस है वो हमें प्रिस्क्रिप्टिव एनालिटिक्स प्रोवाइड करता है. दैट मीन्स व्हाट मेजर्स actions we should perform to make our decisions better and to improve our quality of overall business. Alright, let's move to the next slide. So business analytics in practice, where business analytics is mostly used. In simple words, this is what this slide means. So we have financial analytics, we have marketing analytics, and we have some other fields as well. Now let's understand each of these one by one. Financial analytics means business analytics is used to analyze real-time data to monitor performance and make immediate strategic adjustments. In simple words, we know that in finance there are some terms like sales, profit, loss, and income, expense, and many more. So we do analysis on this data, these overall financial data, and with the help of these data we do some adjustments in the business strategic adjustments. Marketing analytics. Now this is the most important part of any business, which is doing marketing. Without marketing, the business cannot run or function in a healthy manner. So in marketing analytics, what it says is, it aids in understanding customer preferences, optimizing marketing campaigns, and improving customer acquisition and retention. In simple words, marketing analytics allows us to identify consumer behavior and to improve the campaigns, and also to analyze the psychology. This is very important. So in simple words, we know consumer behavior means how a consumer reacts to a certain product when it is marketed to them directly. And after the marketing of a product, a consumer reacts to it in such a way that the reaction of that particular consumer is recorded, and with the help of that reaction, the recorded reaction, the analytical procedure is made so that the marketing on that particular product will be improved. Now, there are some other fields in business analytics as well, like HR analytics, sports analytics, web analytics, and supply chain analytics. So, let me brief you about this in a little. HR analytics means human resource. Every organization requires human to perform the business. They require someone to do the job, to particular job. So for that, HR analytics is used. In sports, like let's take an example of cricket. We have seen that if a batsman is hitting a shot, so in a whole stadium where the batsman is mostly hitting the shot is analyzed with the help of the performance of that particular batsman, in which direction he hits the most, and how the player is performing, what are their stats. Stats means this overall statistics of the sportsman. In web analytics, what is done is mostly every most of the businesses, not every but most of the businesses have websites, and how many number of visitors and whatnot things their web page is having, so that thing is also analyzed. And in supply chain, the whole distribution and the supply modeling, how it is happening and how it is performing, that thing is analyzed. So, in today's world, mostly the business analytics is a big field. And when it comes to bigger businesses like Meta, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, Alphabet, and Google is one of the subsidiary of Alphabet. So, in this bigger organization and bigger conglomerates, what they do is they do big data analytics. So what is big data? Big data is nothing but a data which has a huge volume and a complex data set which cannot be easily managed or analyzed by using traditional methods. So for that, what they do is they have bigger tools like Apache, Hadoop, and Spark. With the help of these tools, they do the big data analytics. So big data analytics, if we want to know in terms of numbers, so we can see that big data having or consist of data in the size of terabytes, zettabytes, petabytes, that much amount of data, and that much amount of data is generated in an hour or in a second. So to analyze that much amount of data, the process should be faster. So for that process, these tools are used. Now let's understand what are the four V's of big data. So as you can see, four V's consist of volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. The definitions are also mentioned over here, and you can see that and you can understand it easily. Now let's take some case studies. So case studies are one of the important factor in IBS. If you are studying in IBS, case studies are going to be your bread and butter. So the, the entire semester consists of around more than 7 subjects, and each individual subject has different case studies. Similarly, in business analytics, the semester one provides you some sort of case study which is related to that subject, that course. So similarly, I have mentioned some of the brief case studies over here. So let's take this first one. Case study 1, retail industry. Retailer XYZ use business analytics to analyze customer data and identify buying patterns. As I have told you, this is the part of marketing analytics where what they are doing is they are studying the consumer behavior. Okay, so by leveraging this data, they were able to personalize marketing campaigns. कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर एनालिसिस करने के बाद में वो क्या कर सकते हैं, वो मार्केटिंग कैंपेन्स को पर्सनलाइज कर सकते हैं जिससे कि कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट इंक्रीज होगी. ओके, तो सिमिलरली बाकी के स्टडीज़ है जिसे जिससे आप गो थ्रू कर सकते हैं, इसे आप पढ़ सकते हैं वीडियो पॉज करके. तो यही था हमारा बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स के केस स्टडीज़ के बारे में. Before ending this video, I would like to conclude this by saying that business analytics plays a crucial role in today's data-driven business environment. It enables organizations to make informed decisions, identify trends, what is in the current trend and what is going to be in the trend, and gain a competitive edge to do an analytics in how a competitor is performing. So these are the things which are done in business analytics. So by leveraging data and analytics, businesses can optimize operations, improve customer experience, and drive growth. And these are some of the key points which are in the field of business analytics. I hope you have all got an idea about what is business analytics. It is very simple. We are doing to make a decision, to take a decision, and to improve the quality of our business. For this only particular reason, we are implementing business analytics and learning this beautiful subject. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. In the coming future, I will upload the upcoming topics of business analytics, and at the same time, I will teach you the toughest business analytics concept in a very easiest and simplest manner. So stay till the end. I guarantee you will love and you will find this subject interesting, and I hope you will gain some knowledge and become a better human being. Thank you.